I'm going to show you a site where it's going to do all the work for you. By using it, I just earned over $100 the other day and earned over $200 yesterday. If you want to earn money like this, I highly recommend you to watch the whole video until the end. I will show you the step-by-step process of how to do this. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. Before I'm going to show you how to do this, right now I'm going to show you the payment proof that I received my earnings on this website and that this method works. This is super legit and you don't need to worry about not getting your earnings. This is my affiliate earnings. You don't need to share your affiliate link everywhere because I'm going to show you a technique where you can earn a lot of money online. You don't need to make a video about this, and you don't need to spread your affiliate link on different social media platforms and social media groups to make money with this method. Right now, I'll show you the name of the website that we're going to utilize today, and it's jvzoo.com. This website is similar to ClickBank and Digistore24. The unique thing about this website is that it does not focus only on digital and physical products. You can also see here different make money online products that you can promote and earn a lot of money online. This website has many different payment options that you can utilize to receive your earnings, but the best one around here is PayPal. Scroll down more and you can read and know more about this website and what are the other features that they offer. The first thing that we need to do when we are going to go to this website is to register for a free worldwide account. Click on this button over here to create one, and this will take you to this page. The next that you need to do is enter your information on the section over here and verify your account. You need to verify your email address so that they know that you are a real person and ready to earn a lot of money. The next step is that you need to select a payment method that you want to use. When you log into your account, this is what you're going to see. This is your dashboard. To find your affiliate link and to promote it, I want you to click on Affiliates and then click on the Find Products button over here. Then you're going to land on this page where you are going to see hundreds of different offers that you can promote. The thing that I like about this website is that they are going to give you a lot of information about the product that you are going to promote. You can see here the launch date of this product, the number of products sold, and the conversion rate. The conversion rate is the average number of people that bought the product from different clicks made by different affiliate links around the world. The next information is EPC, or earnings per click. This is important to know because this is the potential earnings that you get per click that your affiliate link gets. The next thing is the average price. I recommend you to promote the product that has the right amount of price so that you can earn a lot of money. Cheap products won't earn you much money. The next thing that is also important is the refund rate. You want to promote a product that has less than a 10% refund rate. Promoting a product that has a large amount of refund rate won't earn you a lot of money since they don't acquire such a product. Make sure to put into consideration the information given by this website when you're going to promote some products so that you can surely earn a lot of money online. Take note of the number of products sold because this is an indicator that the product is very good and a lot of people like it. Make sure that the conversion rate is higher than 10%. This means that a lot of people have clicked on your affiliate link will buy the product that you promoted. The refund rate should be less than 10%. This is also an indicator that a lot of people have bought the product and are satisfied with it, and there's no need to give them a refund. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. I recommend you to promote a product that has an average price of $30 to $60. Also take note of the launch date of the product. Do not promote a very old product. Try to promote newer products. I want you to click on this category button over here to see different categories of the product that this website offers. I recommend you to promote the businesses and finance category products. A lot of people right now want to earn a lot of money since a lot of people are struggling with their financial status. Just make sure before you promote a product that you check out their information according to what I said earlier. For example, I want to promote this product over here. Click on that product and then you're going to see here the amount of commissions that you're going to get. You can view the sales page for this product over here by clicking on this button. The next thing that you need to do right now is to request an approval so that they're going to give you your affiliate link. Just tell them about yourself a little and tell them that you have experience in affiliate marketing and you can help them get more sales. Once you're done typing that, the next thing is to click on the CAPTCHA over here and then agree with their terms and conditions. And lastly, click on Request Approval. To promote your product, you can use different methods. You can use social media platforms. You can go to Facebook and search for different Make Money Online groups. You can join them and tell them about how to earn a lot of money and share your product with them. You can also use Instagram and Twitter. You can create an Instagram page about the Make Money Online niche and share your affiliate link. You can also find people on Twitter who want to earn money online and share your affiliate link. That's how you can earn a lot of money online with the method I just showed you. And that's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.